Hello friends, welcome to Manotech. So today we are going to discuss 5 very important tips. So these tips are from audio editing tips. So we are going to discuss these 5 tips in Audacity free software. This is open software, free for everybody from the beginning to advanced level. And the 5 tips what we are going to discuss, these 5 tips are very important even from the beginners to advanced level people, because they have to use these 5 tips in their audio editing very frequently. Okay, let's go to the screen so that we can discuss these 5 tips. So friends, you can see on the screen here. So first I'm going to record some part of the clip on that we are going to discuss. Okay, so when I click here, so let me record. So friends, we are going to discuss 5 very important Audacity tips. We are going to use these Audacity audio editing tips. So from the beginners to advanced people, they have to use these 5 audio tips. So friends, I have just recorded some clip here. Okay, for example clip. In this example clip, I wantedly left some here, some blank. Okay, we can also say this is a blank or some silent place. So the first tip what we are going to discuss is silence. How to create silence on your track. Say for example, we have some unnecessary noise. When we have some unnecessary noise, we wanted to delete or remove the noise completely from the track itself. But here the point is our track size should not, the track length should not decrease. How to do that? Let us see, for example, and this is our audio track. In this audio track, like I wanted to remove this part. I wanted to remove this part. I wanted to make this completely silence. I do not want this in my editing or in my clip itself. So what we have to do is simply you have to select Control L. Control L. When I select here Control L, okay, when I select here Control L, you can see here. So I'm pressing Control L from our keyboard. This is got vanquish, but the length here it is same to same like that only. Our length is same to same, but I have removed the whatever the recorded thing or silence thing or noise thing, whatever it is, I have just removed without changing the length of the audio clip. Okay, so I have vanquished. I'm going to do again Control Z so that I can get it back by pressing, that is our undo. That's first our silence control. Next, second one, special effect, Truncate Silent. Truncate Silent is very important. Nowadays we are doing TikTok and small short videos, maybe a lengthy video, but you wanted to complete this very fast without any gaps and all. So that one, or you wanted to make within a video, within 1 minute video, in that video you wanted to have a speed audio without missing any words and all. So that concept we can discuss here in Truncate Silent. Okay, say for example here we have some audio that we can see. In this I have a silent here, I have also silence here, I have silent here, I have silent here in these areas. I do not want these silence. My audio should run without any silent. So only this all silence part I want to remove. How to do that? Simple one. So you have to select complete clip here. Okay, and then you should go to the effects. So once you go to the effect, you simply have to select here special. From the special you select the Truncate Silence. Okay, once you select the Truncate Silence, system will show you some small parameters here. So these parameters are very important. In this parameter, if you see, the first one is threshold dB. Threshold dB means what is the maximum silent place that you want to remove from the track. Okay, what is the silent place? Silence means that is also having some small audio part. So till what dB level the audio should removed when I click this option. So first of all, before that, we have to understand, say for example, you just observe here in this part in where uh, the speaker symbol is there, no? So playback, in the playback symbol, I'm going to observe how much dB, how much, maybe minus 457, maybe 54, maybe minus 51, whatever, till what level the silence noise is available. I'm going to play this. So the green color symbol is coming till here, minus 54, right? Till minus 54, I can see the noise here. Somewhere it is crossing even minus 42 also, but you should be very careful. So when you are selecting this dBs, if you are selecting dBs more than the limit, then your voice also having that frequency, so that frequency will be deleted. Be careful while we are selecting the maybe a minus 57, minus 51. So I'm selecting here minus 51. Okay, so first let's go to the effect screen. Okay, so first you select complete whatever effect you want. First you have to select the clip, go to the effects and go to the special, and then go to the truncate silence. Okay, when I select truncate silence, this is the parameter. Understanding this very important. Threshold limit, instead of minus 45, and keeping here minus 51, because till that is I'm considering the silent part only. And duration, till what duration? So these are all know what systems has to be detect first. The length of the track where we have to delete, so that one. And second, next, in case of action area, truncate to 0.2 seconds. So truncate means it is squeezing the area, it is shrinking the area till 0.2 seconds. Okay, so remember these things, but this is very important. You have to check before doing this part. Okay, click on apply and you can observe here on the screen what is going to happen. Okay, if you see here, maximum silence are shrunk. It is continuously playing without. Say for example, I'm just going to the Control Z, see how much gap here it is. So this is the effect when I use the special effect of truncate silent. Next tip is how to split this audio track. I want to split in different parts. Okay, length will be the same, but I'm splitting here. Okay, how to split? So first you have to simply select the part which you want to split. Say for example, I am selecting this part, and you should go to the edit screen, go to the edit, and you simply select audio clips, and then you can see split, or you can also select Control I. Okay, so let me show you with the Control I. Okay, I'm selecting this part. Now it is all same clip, but I'm selecting here, and Control I. When I select Control I, you can see here is become separated. So this part is separate, or this part is separate, and this part is separate. In between whatever I have selected, the part become a separately. Okay, so this is also very important. So what is the use of this? You can use in some other place in your, say for example, it's a part of the music, you can use in some other part of the clip. Yes, you can do that. Okay, and you can do edit only in this part. Say for example, I want to do edit only in this part. You select that part and let's go to the whatever the edit option. Okay, say for example, I'm doing here something like amplify. I'm selecting apply, so automatically only this part has affected, not other parts. So that way we can do. It's very important in audio editing. So that is the split part. So where we have to go? We have to go to edit and audio clips and split, or Control I. Next tip is join. We have made this split, that means it is been separate. Now I want to add, after editing I want to add again to the clip. So how to do? Simply you select all the clip, and you select here, right click, you can select here join clips, and then it is joined properly. Okay, first split, do whatever edit you want in that particular area, and you can join again, and the length will be the same. Okay, The final tip is split new. Split new means whatever the part you select and you make it new part, that means it is going to be separated and it is arranging in another track. It will create its own track. So let us go here. I'm selecting this part and I'm just going to the edit and I'm going to the audio clips and then selecting a split new. We do not have any shortcut key for this. Okay, split new. And then what will happen, it is created one second track here. So it is coming from here to down. That means one more track has been created. It is a split new. New means new track basically. So what is the use of that? So I want to use this part again somewhere in the second track. I do not want here. And you can drag this part here and you want to add this. Simply you just can right click and select the join clips. So the old one become complete one simple track, single track. Okay, so these are all our 5 very important Audacity tips. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like the video. If you are new, please subscribe definitely, because our channel is going very slow. So because I got some gap, now I want to continue it consistently. Okay, so we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching.